think this person is great. What I had to do, try it again, but with more intensity because it's gonna be hard for him to do it again the same way. I'm not gonna lie, but majority I can give him 6 from 10. Is that big? Is that good enough?
Scraping my mind against the cheese grater. Before you go, sir, you have to sign a waiver. That's alright, I'm aware of the danger. You wanna get away, you better get in line. Won't go another day of wasting any time. I've got a lot to say, can't hold it in this time. Got no filter, I got no filter. No filter, I got no filter. No filter, I got no filter. No.
That's good. What? Yes. 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 What?